सो इंट्रोडक्शन टू ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री हम लोगों ने अभी क्या 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 पढ़ लिया था कि ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री क्या है, ऑर्गेनिक क्या होता है, राइट।
हम्म
कार्बन, ऑर्गेनिक सब फीचर, फिर सेल्फ लिंकिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ कार्बन, ठीक, फिर
हम्म
कैटन, स्ट्रेट चेन, ब्रांच चेन, क्लोज चेन, राइट।
हम्म
देन हम एल्केन, एल्कीन और एल्काइन, ठीक,
हम्म
कि फॉर्मूले सिंगल बॉन्ड है, डबल बॉन्ड है, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है, राइट। उनके नेम, राइट।
हम्म
और नेम दिया जाए तो फॉर्मूला लिखना है, और फॉर्मूला दिया तो नेम लिखना है, राइट।
हम्म
सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन और अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन, इतना हम लोगों ने देख लिया, राइट। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हम लोगों ने आईयूपीएसी नॉमेनक्लेचर में, राइट, इसका
हम्म
जो रूल लिखे थे, और इसमें हम लोग क्या फॉलो करते हैं, लॉन्गेस्ट पॉसिबल कार्बन चेन को फॉलो करते हैं, जिसको बोलते हैं पेरेंट चेन, राइट। और
हाँ
उससे नंबर ऑफ कार्बन होते हैं उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग रूट वर्ड है मेथ, एथ, प्रो, प्यूट, पेंट, हेक्स, हेप्ट, ऑक्ट, नॉन डेक, अनडेक, डोडेक, ट्राइडेक, टेट्राडेक, राइट।
हम्म
देन
आप
नॉन,
ये आपने अपलोड नहीं किया था, मैंने आपसे पूछा था कि आप।
आई विल शेयर बाय टुडे, ओके, टुडे।
थैंक यू।
देन देन प्राइमरी सफिक्स में हम लोगों ने देखा था कि सिंगल, अगर सैचुरेटेड मतलब कि सिंगल बॉन्ड, राइट, और अनसैचुरेटेड मतलब कि डबल बॉन्ड या फिर ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, राइट। फिर हम लोगों ने एन, इन और आइन देखे थे, राइट। फिर हम
हम्म
लोगों ने फंक्शनल ग्रुप देखे थे, राइट, जिसमें
हम्म
जिसमें कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, एस्टर, एसिड हाइलाइड, एसिड एमाइड, नाइट्राइल, एल्डिहाइड, कीटोन, एल्कोहल, थायोल, एमाइड, एमीन, एल्किन, काफी कुछ थे, जिसमें जो सबसे मेन इंपॉर्टेंट थे वो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, एल्डिहाइड एंड एल्कोहल थे, राइट। ओके, इसके अलावा कुछ हम लोगों ने ये नेमिंग किए थे, राइट।
हम्म
ओके, उसके अलावा एक चीज और, अगर मान लीजिए कि कोई ग्रुप है, ओके, लास्ट क्लास में हम लोगों ने जब ये पढ़ रहे थे, राइट, तो एक ग्रुप ऐसा आया था जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने दो डबल बॉन्ड थे, आपको याद है, दो बॉन्ड, डबल बॉन्ड, आपको दिख रहा है, जी वाला,
हाँ
या दिस वन, यहाँ पे क्या है, डबल बॉन्ड, राइट। तो डबल बॉन्ड का कॉन्सेप्ट ये है, डबल बॉन्ड या कोई भी फंक्शनल ग्रुप, ओके, जब एक पेरेंट जिसमें दो बार आते हैं, कितने बार आते हैं, अगर दो बार आते हैं तो उससे बोलते हैं डाई, ओके,
राय
और अगर तीन बार आते हैं तो उससे बोलते हैं ट्राई, ओके। तो अगर इसका नाम बोला जाए तो इसका नाम तो वैसे ब्यूट 1,3 इन होना चाहिए, राइट।
हाँ
लेकिन यहाँ पे इन जो है वो दो बार आ गया है, राइट। तो
हम्म
यहाँ पे इन ना हो के, ठीक, ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा डाई इन हो जाएगा, क्लियर है।
हाँ
आपने लास्ट क्लास में कोई बोला था ना कि डाई नहीं होगा क्या, राइट। तो डाई कब होगा, यहाँ पे सिर्फ इन की बात नहीं है, कुछ भी अगर आता है जो दो बार आएगा, ठीक, तो वो
हम्म
क्या हो जाएगा, वो डाई लग जाएगा वहां पे,
हाँ
क्लियर। यहाँ तक कोई डाउट?
नो
एनी डाउट?
नो
ओके, वेरी गुड। अब अब नॉमेनक्लेचर की अगर बात करते हैं, ठीक, तो ओके, अगर जब नाम, तो मैं कुछ पूछता हूँ, आप बताइएगा कि इसका नेम क्या होगा, ओके।
ओके
सी,
हम्म
सी, डबल बॉन्ड सी, 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 डबल बॉन्ड सी, राइट। अगर ये ऐसे है तो देख लेते हैं कि एच एच कहाँ पे आएंगे, राइट। यहाँ पे कितने एच आएंगे, अगर राइट साइड से बात कीजिए कितने एच आएंगे यहाँ पे,
राइट साइड से
थ्री एच आएंगे।
हम्म
सेकंड वाले में कितने आएंगे, वन एच।
वन
थर्ड वाले में
वन
वन, फोर्थ में
टू
टू, नेक्स्ट
वन
वन, एंड लास्ट,
टू
इतना क्लियर है।
हम्म
मतलब कि अगर ऐसे ऐसे लिखा जाए, कुछ भी फॉर्म में लिखा जाए, राइट, तो आप उससे जो एग्जैक्ट फॉर्मूला होगा लिख लेंगे, राइट।
हम्म
ओके, अब बताइए इसका नाम क्या होगा।
um 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it will be C6। सो हम राइट साइड से काउंट करेंगे ना,
राइट, इसके
तो
टू,
1 2 3
फोर,
4
फाइव,
5 6
सिक्स, राइट।
and then it will be so 6, right?
सिक्स कार्बन कितने क्या होगा,
Hex
वेरी गुड, क्या हो जाएगा ये,
hex
हेक्स हो जाएगा, राइट।
hex 1
हम्म,
and comma 5
फाइव,
4, sorry, I'm so sorry, 4 hex 1 comma 4 in, no, yeah, I'm guessing in।
ओके, इन तो होगा, लेकिन इन यहाँ पे कितनी बार लगा, दो बार लगा, राइट।
हाँ
तो यहाँ क्या आएगा, डाई इन, हेक्स
die die
डाई,
1 4 die।
तो नेम क्या हो जाएगा, और हाँ, जो प्रीफिक्स है, जो नंबरिंग किस पोजीशन पे लगी वो कहाँ पे आएगा, पहले लगेगा 1,4 हेक्स डाई इन। क्लियर है?
Okay.
ओके, नेक्स्ट। ओके, सी, सी एच, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड सी, सी एच, डबल बॉन्ड सी एच,
Hmm.
सी एच, डबल बॉन्ड सी एच टू। नेम बोलिए क्या होगा?
हम तो दोनों में से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, बट वी कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट नो, या फिर राइट से, बिकॉज दोनों एटमोस्ट एंड में है।
हम्म
सो अभी हम राइट से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं।
हम्म,
So we have our numbering ready. So it can be 6. So that's again hex. Uh,
एक चीज और समझिए कि अगर मान लीजिए कि किसी भी पैरेंट चेन में, ओके, डबल बॉन्ड और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड दोनों आ रहे हैं, क्या
hmm,
हो, डबल भी हो एंड ट्रिपल भी हो, राइट,
hmm,
ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, तो उस केस में क्या होगा, जो नंबरिंग होगी कहाँ से हम फॉलो करेंगे, ठीक, नंबरिंग किसको देंगे, पहले प्रायोरिटी देंगे, प्रायोरिटी हम देंगे डबल बॉन्ड को।
hmm.
क्लियर?
Okay.
देन
That way, sorry. That way it will be C1
नंबरिंग किधर से, लेफ्ट से होगी राइट से होगी?
राइट से। आपने बोला प्रायोरिटी डबल बॉन्ड को देंगे ना।
राइट।
So could you number it please? It just makes it easier.
1 2 3 4 5। ओके, जब भी एग्जाम में होगा ना ये फिर लिखना होगा, तो नंबरिंग कभी शो नहीं करते हैं, ओके, आप चाहे तो कर सकते हैं, ओके, बट बेटर ओनली रेड राइट नेम, ओके।
Okay.
सो व्हाट विल द नेम?
Hept. Hept one.
हेप्ट,
Oh, sorry, hex. I'm so sorry. I thought it was 7 for a second.
एक्स,
Hept 1, 3.
एक्स 1,3।
Um, or it'll be the other way around. Like when you're writing it, you said that the numbering is first before the prefix.
राइट।
So it'll be that, and I don't know how to add the triple bond into this.
ओके, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन, ओके।
Okay.
There are how many carbon? 6, right? So for 6, it will be hex. Clear? Okay.
Yeah.
We will priority with the first. We'll give the in, right? So there is
Yeah.
one option. There is in, and second is ein, right?
Yeah.
In also present and ein also present, right?
Hmm.
And when both are present, right? So first we write based on the
Yeah.
alphabetical, right?
Yeah.
So
So
in, right? So on which number in will come? 1 and 3, right?
yeah.
So what will the, okay, in on 1 and
Hmm.
3 put in, right? And there
Hmm.
are 2, right? So it would
Hmm.
be die in, hex
Hmm.
die in, okay. And
Hmm.
hex die in also on which position? 1, 3, okay.
Hmm.
It's a 1, 3 hex die in, right? So we have note down the for die in. Now
Hmm.
we have to with the in, right? Then we
Hmm.
use dash. On which position in? It's a 5, right?
Hmm.
Should be 5 in. Clear?
Hmm.
This will be name. Clear?
Yeah.
Find out.
No.
Okay. Let's do practice. Let's start. Okay. Okay. Now tell me. Okay. The first one. C, 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 C. What would the name?
Okay. Okay.
How many carbon in the state chain?
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X again.
Okay, so it would be hex, right? Hex, right?
With 2 branches.
Only hex, right? Is there any single bond or double bond, triple bond? It's just only single bond, right? So
Yeah.
it would be in. Fine.
Yeah.
Would be? Okay. Okay. Now where we have to start with the counting? Left or right? In
From
this
the
case?
left. Yeah.
Yeah. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So on the 2, it would be a methyl, right? 1 carbon, right?
Yeah.
And on the 4, it would be ethyl, right?
Yeah.
So we write the first.
You write 2 first.
Sure.
I'm guessing because you said that you start from.
Not guessing. Okay. On the it would be 2. On the 2 it's ethyl, right? And on 4, no. On the 2 it's a methyl, and on the 4 it's a ethyl. So on the dictionary, which would come first? Ethyl or methyl?
Yeah.
Which would come on the dictionary? E would come first, right?
Yeah.
And B later, right? डिक्शनरी में 2 वर्ड, राइट? 4 पोजीशन क्या है? एथिल है, और 2 पे क्या है? मेथिल है। तो डिक्शनरी में मेथिल पहले आएगा कि एथिल आएगा पहले?
इथाइल आएगा पहले।
एथिल, राइट? तो नेम में क्या आएगा? 4 एथिल।
4 ethyl.
4 ethyl, right? Then 2 methyl. Hexane. Clear?
Yeah.
Find out?
No.
Okay. Next one. Okay.
Yeah.
C, 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 C.
Is that a C or a O?
Yes, it's C. Yeah. So what would the name?
Well, in this case, you'd start from the right. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the parent chain. That's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right?
Yeah, that's hept. And since there's no double bonds, that will be heptane.
Very good. Heptane, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then there is 1, 2 C's. So that will be 3 ethyl.
On the 3, on the carbon of 3.
Or will it be 1 and then like a comma with another chain? Because it's not one chain.
No.
Okay.
What is the other functional group? On the there is 1 carbon, right? One carbon up and 1 carbon down, right?
Yeah.
And 4 it would be 2 carbon, right?
Yeah.
So for 2 carbon it would be ethyl or methyl?
For 2 carbon it's ethyl. Okay.
So for the carbon of 4 it would be ethyl, right? And for carbon number 3 it would be methyl, right? Yeah. On dictionary would come first, methyl or ethyl?
Ethyl.
So name would be start with the 4 ethyl. Okay. 4 ethyl. Clear? Okay. Now on the 3 it is a methyl, right? And on the 3 there are 2 methyl, right? If you see
3, 3 methyl, right?
No, it's a 3, 3 dimethyl.
Okay, dimethyl.
You got it?
Yeah.
3, 3 dimethyl heptane. So what was the complete name? 4-ethyl 3,3 dimethyl. Clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Okay. Next try something else. Okay.
Yeah.
Next one. Okay.
Okay.
C C C
Mm-hmm.
C C. Okay. And on the third carbon, I'm using the Cl, means chloro.
Okay.
Hmm. So
So
what would
generally, since in this case the branch chain is on the left side, so we'll start numbering from the left.
hmm,
That's 5
it's
carbons, so that's
3,
pent.
4, 5, right?
Yeah, so
Okay.
that's
What?
pent. That's pentane because there's no
eh,
double bonds or
Yeah,
triple bond.
it's a pentane, right? Then
Yeah.
there are,
Then
right?
so you would start by saying two um two
Two
methyl.
on the two on the carbon number two, there is a one C, right? C
Yeah,
means one carbon is the methyl, right?
yeah, so I
And
said two
on the carbon number on the carbon three is a Cl means chlorine, right? So it
yeah,
would be chloro. Okay. So which would come first, chloro or methyl?
methyl.
Okay, methyl would come in the dictionary, right? Chloro
Mhm.
and right
Oh,
methyl.
sorry. Are we doing an alphabetical order?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so then chloro.
Chloro. Okay. So chloro on which number? It's a three, right?
3, yeah.
Yeah. So do with three
Chloro.
chloro, right?
Um, 2 methyl.
Yeah. Two methyl pentane.
Yeah,
Clear?
yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay, very good. Okay. Now next. Okay. So if you're taking the halogen group now, for the halogen group, okay, one is the F for fluoro.
Yeah,
Okay. Cl means
chloro.
fluoro. Br means bromo and
Bromo. Bromine, right?
iodo.
Iodo. Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Now next. Okay. C C C OH C C C. Okay.
Okay.
So what would the name? Let's start the first numbering, right?
Yeah, so that's 5, so that's pentane.
Yeah, very good. It should be pentane. Very good. It's a pent.
Uh,
Okay,
pent.
not pent.
No, no, because there's no double bond or triple
I
bond. So I just right away just
okay. Let me explain. Okay. There is only single bond, right?
yeah.
But it's in a we have know down the functional group, right? You know down, right? Secondly, functional group, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is the preference group. Okay. First, you focus on the carboxylic acid, then the ester, acid halide, acid. This sequence. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And if here the double bond or triple bond, okay, it will comes in the last. Okay. So suppose alkene or alkyne comes. Okay. And before that, if any of them came, okay, we will give priority to this functional group. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here there is one functional group came in the OH, right?
Yeah.
Right. So it's a alcohol. Okay. And what would be the suffix? It's a ol. Okay. OL.
Yeah.
Okay. So what would be the name?
Where is the
Yeah.
okay.
It's a
So
pentane.
pentol.
No, it's a pentane. Okay. And the pentane, mm, Okay, it's a pentane, right?
Yeah.
Pentane, right? Pentane. Okay, on which numbering is from the start from the left, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And we will reference to the OH group first, right? It's for the OH. Okay, it's a
Yeah.
OH group, right? And for OH we use the all, right? So what on the which position does all use 2 number, right? The
Yeah.
2 pentanol. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. And now on the 3 position it's a methyl, right?
Yeah.
So what was the name? 3
Um, 3
methyl,
methyl.
2 pentanol.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay, next one. Suppose it's a C, 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 C. It's a OH group and it's a OH group. Okay.
OH
Hmm.
is alcohol. So,
Right. For the alcohol we use the all.
hmm.
Right? Well,
So this is
right.
butanol.
Uh, butane, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And on which position OH is present?
Are we starting from which side?
You tell me.
Okay, we can
In,
start from the left.
in this case, we can start any side. Okay. One left or right. It will be the same. Okay. We will give priority to where it comes first, right? Suppose we start with the left side. Okay? It would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose if we count from the right side, it would come 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Mm.
So, you know, the OH group is present on which carbon? 2 and 3, right? So, what would the name? It's a butane, right?
Yeah.
And what is the group? Suffix group is the OH. So, we do use the all, butane, all. On which
Butanol.
number? 2 and 3? It would be 2, comma 3, butane, right?
Yeah.
Butanol, right? But 2, right? It would be butane, di, all. Clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
Sure?
Uh, 1 second. I'm just writing it down.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Hmm? Done?
Yeah.
Okay. Now next. C, C, C. It's OH, C, 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 C,
Mm.
C, I, C, C, C. Okay. Hmm. What will the name? Hmm. How many carbon?
And the
Parent.
parent
Yeah.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's non.
Okay. So numbering start from the left or right?
From the left.
Okay. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
5, 6,
6,
7,
7, 8, and 9.
9, right? So what is the name?
Non in all, though.
Non, right?
Yeah.
Non in, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And on which is the functional group? Main function group? It's OH, right?
Yeah.
And OH is present on which position? Second, right?
True.
So it, yeah,
So
2
it's non in
non
all.
in all. Fine.
Yeah.
We tune in all. It's okay. It's a mean. Okay, and now we will add the prefix, right? On which function group is adding? One is the on the 4 it's methyl, on the 5 it's a methyl, and on the 6 it's a iodo, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and we can also one adding. I'm also adding. One is the Cl, right?
Yeah.
So they are 4 group, right? So which will come first?
First, we'll go with OH, right?
We have already considered the OH, na?
Okay. So then, I'm not sure though. Should we continue with the carbon chain or should we prioritize Cl?
No, no.
Chloro.
As of now, we have considered the 9 carbon, right? For the 9 carbon, we have used the nonane, right?
Yeah.
Okay. There are many functional group, right? One is the OH, then the alkyl group, right? C is the alkyl group, right? On the 4 carbon, it's the alkyl group, right?
Yeah.
5 alkyl group, right? Methyl group. On the 6, it's the iodo, and on the 7, it's the chloro, right?
Yeah.
So there are 5 functional groups, right? They are carbon
Yeah.
2, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? In which first will preference given to the OH, right?
Yeah.
And for OH, I have already considered a non and all, right? All, right? So what is the remaining? Remaining will come in the prefix. All the remaining will come in the prefix. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. The which will come on the 4 it's a methyl, 5 it's a methyl, 6 on the iodo, and on the 7 is a chloro, right? So
Yeah.
in this we have to arrange in the dictionary order. Okay.
What order?
Dictionary.
Okay, which is alphabetical.
Yeah.
Okay.
So which will come first?
C. So carbon.
Which would come first? C
C.
is C means methyl. No? One carbon is a methyl, right?
Yeah, so methyl.
So which one come first? So what we have to write?
Four. I'm guessing 4-dimethyl.
4 dimethyl.
No, 4,5, right?
Hmm.
4,5-dimethyl.
Dimethyl. Okay.
And
Okay.
then
Next.
6-iodo
6 iodo. Okay.
and 7-chloro.
Okay. Okay. Now you tell me. Okay. Which will come first in the dictionary? It's a chloro or it's iodo or methyl. Which come first?
Chloro.
Hmm? So what was the name? It would be 7.
Chloro.
Then
4,5-dimethyl because it starts with D, right?
4,5 dimethyl.
Yeah,
Methyl iodo. It's iodo, na?
no, because we start with the D, so obviously counting like
No,
methyl,
the group.
dimethyl.
No. The group name is the main. Is the methyl group or iodo group?
Okay, so iodo, 6-iodo,
Right.
and 7,5-dimethyl.
6 iodo and 4,5 di
Oh, sorry.
methyl
Yeah, 4,5-dimethyl.
2 nonane all. Clear? So this is wrong. This would be correct. Clear?
Yeah,
Any doubt?
no.
Okay. Now next. Okay. Okay. The next is the name is the HCOOH. Okay.
Yeah,
So what was the name? Okay. First tell me how many number of carbon?
1.
1. So for 1, what we do? Meth, right?
Yeah.
It would be meth, right? And now what is the function group? The name is the COOH. If you see, na, right? So what is the function group for the COH? If you see for the COH, where is the COH? It's a carboxylic.
It's carboxylic acid and it's oic acid.
Oic acid, right? So what is the name? There is one carbon, right? Methane. So what is the name? Methanoic acid. Okay,
Mhm.
you got my point?
Yeah.
Hmm. So what is the name? Methane, right?
Yeah.
Methane, right? Oic acid. Clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt? Any doubt?
No.
Okay, next one. Next would be C, CS3, C, O, O, H. What is the name?
Uh, okay. So that'll be, there's just two C's.
Right.
So,
Two C means
so it's,
H,
yeah,
right. And here, what is the function group? If you see, it's
COO,
COH, right? And for the COH, what we used?
oic acid.
Acetic acid, right? So what would the ethane oic?
Acid.
Clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay, next. Mm, It's a OH. It's a double bond. O. Okay. Okay. Now tell
Okay.
me what name.
So first you number it, right?
Right. So how many number? In the parent chain.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.
Hmm? How many?
6.
6. How? Where you start from? On the
Oh,
left or right?
OH from the left.
It's a OH, not C. Okay.
Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So where is the C? C start from the here. C. Right?
Yeah. So
So 1, 2,
3,
3,
4.
4, and 5. Clear? So it
Yeah.
would be pent, right?
Yeah.
Pentane, right? And
Yeah.
it's a C, it's a C, right? So COH, right?
Yeah.
If you see this one there, it's a COH, right?
Yeah.
It's a oic acid, right?
Yeah.
It will be pentane oic
Acid.
acid, right? Okay, clear. And on any other name remaining, or it's completed. It's done, or something remaining, something else.
There's one more remaining.
Yeah.
The 5 chain.
Hmm?
That'll be methyl, no?
On which carbon?
Huh?
On which carbon?
On 3.
Right. So what would it say? 3 methyl,
Mhm.
right? Pentanoic acid. Clear?
Mm.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Now one. Okay. Next one. Okay. It's OH. It's a double bond. O.
So the way that we're doing this, like
Hmm.
this different, structure or whatever, it's not there in the portion.
Yeah, but it would be helpful mm, in your study. Okay. Okay. So
Yeah.
what?
Well, from here you start again 1, 2, 3, 4. You start from the O double bond one. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
How many carbon? Bute, right? One,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, right? Okay. So what will be? It would be but, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now tell me here two things, right?
Hmm.
Here numbering will start from the left side or right side, because the double bond also and the
On the left.
COH on the left. Why left?
Because there's a double bond first and then there's COOH, which will
Because
be
we will give priority to the COH first. Okay.
okay. That's oic acid again.
Right. So it's a butane, right? And there
Yeah.
is a double bond. And for double bond, what we use? In, right?
Yeah.
Generally, the but, right? If single bond, it would be use butane, right?
Yeah.
And here the in, right? So
Yeah.
what would the name? In, right? Butene. On which number? It's a number 3, right? So what
Yeah.
would the name? It's a 3 butene, right? Butene, okay?
Yeah.
And for oic acid. Clear?
Yeah.
Please note down here, okay, one thing. The butene is for the 3, okay? And oic acid is on the first number, okay?
Mhm.
So 3 butanoic acid. It's clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. The last one, okay? Okay, now
Hmm.
HOC double bond O C double bond O, it's OH. Okay, now what is the name?
Um.
How many carbon?
There's only two.
2, right? So it would be Eth.
Yeah.
And there is a single bond or double bond between C and C?
Double bond. There's
No.
two. No, there's first. What do you mean? No, between the C's there's only a single bond. But
Right.
this there's
First COOH, right? It's a separate carboxylic acid group, na? Oic
yeah,
acid.
two carboxylic acid groups.
Yeah, so there is a 2, right? It's a
Yeah.
COH, right? And this is the energy, right?
Mhm.
And there are 2 carbon, right? So for the 2 carbon, it would be eighth, right? And between the C and C, there will be what is the bond? In, right? So it would be in ethane, okay?
Mhm.
And it's a oic acid, right? But there
Yeah.
are 2 oic acid, right? So it would be
Yeah.
dioic acid. Clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. So this is a common nomenclature, okay, of the IPC that you use in your syllabus, okay, for the
Mhm.
oic acid, right? For the oic acid, we taken some example, right? Methanoic acid, right? Ethanoic
Mhm.
acid, pentanoic acid, 3-methylpentanoic acid, butanoic acid, ethanoic and dioic acid, right? And for the OH, right, we have also considered the butane diol, right? 3-methylpentane, 2-pentanol, right? Okay. Okay. One more thing. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, we are going the homologous. Which one? Homologous series, okay? Homologous.
But technically, didn't we already do it?
No,
No, like we did do it, considering that the homologous series is alkenes, alcohols, carbolic acid, then it's ethane, propane, blah blah blah. So,
right. But we did not understand what the homologous series. Okay, let me explain what is the homologous series. Okay, Homologous series is the okay. It's a similar structure.
Yeah.
Series is a
Similar structure.
yeah similar structure. Okay, and similar chemical properties. Two things.
Mhm.
Okay. Similar chemical properties. Okay,
Mhm.
and in the homologous series, okay, it is a in which successive member
Mm.
successive member differ by CH2 group. Okay, so now the question is where is came from the CH2 group. Okay, let me explain. Suppose, okay, example one. Suppose we taken the CH4 methane. Okay, this is what is a it's a methane. Okay,
Yeah.
and suppose we add the CH2. So what will become? It will become the C2 and the H6, right?
Yeah.
So what it will become? It's
Ethane.
become the ethane. Now taking another example. Okay, we are taking the butane. What is the formula for the butane? What will formula of butane?
Yeah.
What would be the formula of butane? Formula क्या होगा butane का?
The formula of butane,
Hmm.
that's C4H10.
Okay. C4 और ब्यूटेन से हमें बनाना है मान लीजिए प्रोपेन. ओके, कार्बन कम करते हैं तो फॉर्मूला क्या होगा प्रोपेन का?
Propane formula C3H8.
वेल C3H8. सो अगर C4H10 में से जब रिएक्शन कराएंगे C3H8 बनेगा तो साथ में और क्या बनेगा?
इसके लिए
ये जो एक क्वेश्चन लिखी है इसको बैलेंस करना है.
क्या?
लेफ्ट साइड में C4H10 है और राइट साइड में C3H8 है. ओके, तो और क्या आएगा साथ में? यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा?
I don't know actually.
On the left side, how much carbon? It's a 4, right?
Or yeah,
On the right hand side, it's a
three. So
3,
there's one left. Right?
1, right? And on the left hand carbon, which how many carbon?
10.
And on the right hand side,
Okay, so two.
2. So it would be 2, right? So if you see on the first equation, okay, suppose we ethane, and if we adding a CH2, it will become the ethane, right?
Yeah.
Suppose any suppose we taking butane, right? And here what we're doing? Increasing, right?
Yeah.
And reducing the CH2, right? So if you reduce the CH2, it will reduce the from butane to propane, right?
Yeah.
So here what the difference? Here the difference the CH2 group. Okay. So what is the homologous series? Homologous series which has a similar structure. Similar structure means like a alkane. Suppose it for the alkane. Suppose you talk to the alkane, right? So for
Mhm.
the what the name? Methane, right? Methane formula is the CH4. For the ethane, it's a C2. What? C2?
Yeah. C2H. This is N, right? So it's
Right.
C2H6.
C2H6. For the propane,
C3H8.
C3H8. And for the butane,
C4H10.
C4H10, right? And if you see now, what is the difference between? It's a difference in the CH2, right?
So yeah.
Here, here also a CH2. Clear? Okay. And what is the formula for this? For the alkane?
C
CnH2
CN.
H2 plus 2,
Yeah.
right? Okay. For the alkane. So here what you see, na? What is the difference only from one carbon to another carbon? It's a CH2, right? So
Yeah.
yeah, so it means the homologous series में जो डिफरेंस होता है सक्सेसिव मेंबर के बीच में, वो कितने का होता है? वो एक CH2 ग्रुप का होता है। क्लियर है कि नहीं क्लियर है?
Clear है.
इनके क्या होंगे? सिमिलर स्ट्रक्चर होंगे। ठीक, तो आप देख रहे हैं कि अगर मेथिन इथेन प्रोपेन ब्यूटेन की बात की जाए तो इसके स्ट्रक्चर में क्या आएगा? CnH2n+2 आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा? बोलिए।
Yeah.
हम्म, और सिमिलरली अगर ऐसे बात की जाए तो एथेन का क्या हो जाएगा?
Uh,
एथीन, नो,
H.
एल्केन, नॉट एथेन, इट्स एल्केन।
हाँ.
एल्कीन
Ethene.
का क्या होगा? हाँ, क्या हो
So,
जाएगा?
ethene.
CnH2n, राइट? राइट।
Yeah, yeah.
एंड व्हाट इज द नेम? एथेन।
Yeah.
फॉर्मूला वुड बी
That would be C2H4.
फॉर द प्रोपीन,
C3H6.
फॉर द ब्यूटीन,
C4H8.
H8. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. And suppose if we see, okay, now here you see what is the difference between the ethene and propane? It's a
Um,
CH, right?
yeah, CH2 again.
Clear?
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. This is for the alkene. Okay. Suppose we are taking the alkyne. Alkyne. So what is the formula? CnH2 minus 2, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. And
Yeah.
what will the name? It's a ethyne, propine,
Propane.
and butane, right?
Butane.
What
Yeah.
would the for the ethyne?
For ethine, it would be so C2H2
Hmm.
and minus 2, so H2.
Very good. For the propine,
Um, C3H4.
C3H4, and for the butane,
C4H6.
very good, right? So
Yeah.
if you here, what would the difference in between the ethane and propane?
CH2.
CH2, clear? Okay.
Yeah.
And this is not only for the alkane and alkyne. Okay, it also apply on the all the groups like alcohol. Okay, let me consider the alcohols. Okay, and for the alcohols, okay, what is the main suffix? It's a OH group, right?
Yeah.
So what would be the general formula of the okay, let me consider the example of the what is the general formula of the methane?
The general formula of methane or methane?
Methane. It's a
Uh,
CH4.
CH4.
Okay, and suppose if you remove the one H, okay, for them CH4, we remove the one H, it would be CH3, right?
Yeah.
And we the H1H and attach the OH, right?
Yeah.
So what would the name? It is one carbon, right?
Yeah.
It would be methane and all group. Fine, methanol. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Suppose we're taking the ethanol, ethanol.
Mm.
Okay, so what is the formula? C2H5H. Clear?
Yeah.
For the propanol, what is the formula?
For propanol, so that will be propane is C3H8.
But we remove na one H and
So C H5 H7, right?
right C3H7, right? Okay, it means if you see na what the general formula of the alkane, it would be the CnH2n plus 1 and attached to the OH group. Clear again, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, and what is the OH? OH is the hydroxy group. What is the
Hydrox.
hydro group. Fine. Okay. And if you see now there, what is the difference between this? There is a CS2 group. Difference clear?
Yeah.
Fine. This is for the alcohol. Okay. The same will apply for the all. Suppose we taking the carboxylic acid. Which one? Carboxylic acid. Okay.
Yeah.
Carboxylic acid. Why I'm telling this one? Okay. Because it may be possible that okay, the examiner will ask, okay, explain the what is the homologous series in terms of the and explain with the help of the carboxylic acid.
Mm.
Okay. So first you have to know what is the formula of the carboxylic acid, right? So you know that for the carboxylic acid, it would be the COOH, right?
Yeah.
COH, right? And for it has to the alkyl group, right?
Yeah.
Where R is the alkyl group. Fine.
Mm.
Fine. And what is the formula of the alkyl group? CnH2n plus 1, right? We just
Yeah.
remove the 1H from the alkyl group. Fine.
Yeah.
From the CnH2n plus 2. For the alkyl group, it would be CnH2n plus 1. Clear?
Yeah.
And what this suffix name is the? It's a oic
Acid.
acid. Fine.
Mm.
Okay. So what would be the IUPAC name of the carboxylic acid? Suppose we HCOH. What would the name? It's a
Uh,
methane, right?
yeah.
Or acid. Fine.
Yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
Now CS3 COH. What would the name? It would be the ethanoic acid. Clear? Next C2H5 COOH. What would the name?
Uh,
The name
C2 C. What is this again? I can't see that.
C2H5
It's ethane.
COOH. Hmm? What would be
That's
the name?
ethane. Ethane, right?
Not ethane. It's a propane. There are 3 carbon.
Oh, okay, I can see that. So that's
One, two,
propanoid,
and 1 carbon is the here. So what would the name? It's
propanoid.
a propanoic acid, right? And this is the what is the IUPAC name, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. This is the IUPAC name. Okay. And apart from that, there are some other general name. Okay, for the methanoic acid. Generally, what we used, it's a formic acid. What is the
Yeah.
formic acid? Okay. And what and फॉर्मिक एसिड द नेम जो इसको फॉर्मिक एसिड नेम पढ़ा कहाँ से पढ़ा है फॉर्मिका एंड से विच इज द फॉर्मिका एंड ओके
Mhm.
एक तरीके से अच्छा आप लोगों ने देखा कि अगर कभी गाँव अगर हम गए होंगे तो आम के पेड़ पे रेड कलर का चीटा पड़ता है ना जिससे क्या बोलते हैं फॉर्मिका चीटी एंट बोलते हैं उसको एक साइंटिस्ट थे उन्होंने क्या कहते हैं चीटियों को घोल के पूरा पीस दिया था पूरा ओके तो फॉर्मिका चीटी थी वो फॉर्मिका एंड था और उससे जो एसिड निकला वो उनको पीसने के बाद वो क्या था फॉर्मिक एसिड ओके बाद में उसका एनालिसिस किया गया तो जो नेम पड़ा उसका वो जो फॉर्मूला आया था उसका आया था HCOH ओके जिसका
Okay.
है मेथेनोइक एसिड क्लियर है
Okay.
ओके सिमिलर जो मेथेनोइक एसिड को फॉर्मिक एसिड सिमिलरली एथेनोइक एसिड को कहते हैं एसिटिक एसिड विच इज द एसिटिक एसिटिक एसिड एनी क्लियर
Yeah.
okay so now homologous series is clear right any doubt in the homologous series
No.
homologous is that is a similar structure and the similar chemical property right
Yeah.
the successive member differ by only the CH2 group right and we have taken the main example for the alkane alkyne alcohol and the carboxylic acid fine Any doubt till now?
No.
Okay. The next topic is the isomerism. Okay. What is the isomerism? Okay. Let's see what the isomerism. Okay. Isomerism, right? So what is the isomerism? आइसोमर में एक फिनोमेना होता है, ठीक, जिसमें क्या होते हैं टू या मोर देन टू कंपाउंड, जिनमें क्या होता है सेम मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला होते हैं। क्या होते हैं?
Two or more compounds with the same molecular formula, but different structural formula.
राइट, सेम मॉलिक्यूलर
Formula, but different structural formula.
फॉर्मूला, राइट, ठीक, ओके। मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला सेम है, राइट, बट इन्हें असाइन कर सकते हैं, कैन बी असाइन, ओके, different molecular structure,
Yeah.
different
Molecular structure.
structure, same molecular formula in the different molecular structure. Okay, okay. Now see, okay, take the example. The first example we are taking the, okay. Now first tell me the what is the name? C C C C. Only for like the four. What is the name? What?
That's bute, right? Butane.
Yeah. So what is the name? It's a butane. Butane, right?
Yeah.
And what is the formula for the butane?
C for butane, it's C4H10.
Very good, right? It's a butane C4H10. Okay, okay. Now I'm okay. Here remaining comes in the H, right? It would be
Yeah.
H H H H H H and H. Okay. Now I'm changing. Okay, structure. It's a C C C. Okay, and
Yeah.
on I'm doing this. How many carbon?
3 in the parent chain.
Right. Okay. So what would be the IUPAC name?
IUPAC name, it would be propane, right?
Propane. Okay. Name is completed or not?
No.
So what is the complete name?
Prop to aim, right? No. Sorry. Prop, and then after that you have in the middle you have a branch chain. So
Right.
that's 1, 2. So that's 2 methyl.
Right. 2 methyl propane. Right. And what is the formula for that? Okay, so remaining, let's take the H, remaining H. Okay. H H H H H. Here would be 1 H. Here would be the H. H, right? So what is the formula for the 2-methyl propane? Complete.
Like, what do you mean?
Formula. What is the molecular formula?
Oh, molecular formula. That's C. So that's C4. No, C4.
C.
We were considering all the C's, right? Not just branch.
Right. All
Okay.
C.
C4H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
H 10, right?
Yeah.
If you see the butane and the 2-methyl propane have the same formula C4H10, right?
Different structural form.
Okay, but the 2-methyl propane is the what is the this is the IUPAC name, which is the
I
IU,
yes.
right? There is general formula. Okay, actually this is a there is a how many carbon? 4, right?
Mm.
Okay, so some person is using, say, it's not a butane, it's a isobutane. What is a it's a isobutane. Okay, C4, it's a general name. Okay, you got
Okay.
my point. Why using the iso? Okay, there are three things. Okay, uh n iso neo. What? N iso and neo. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. So what is the n and what is the iso and what is the neo? Okay,
Okay.
uh, n means the normal chain. Okay, iso means uh, there is one carbon attached to the different carbon in the apart from the branch chain. Okay, in the
Yeah.
states. And neo means okay, so let me explain. Okay, let me take the example. Okay, mm, suppose we are taking the 5 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So you have
Yeah.
5 carbon and how many H? 1 H, yeah, H, H, H,
Two, and the last one's three.
H, H, H. What is the formula? C
C5 H.
12,
Yeah.
right? And what is the name? It will be 5 carbon, right? It's a
10.
pentane, right? And there is a normal chain, right? It's a
Yeah.
N pentane. Okay, it's a N pentane or normal pentane. Okay, now we are what I'm doing. We are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and
Mm.
अब इसमें 5 का जगह हम क्या करेंगे, 4 लगाएंगे और एक कार्बन को किसी और कार्बन पे लगा देंगे. तो सपोज करें इस कार्बन पे लगा दिए. ओके,
Okay.
तो अभी क्या हो गया, एक अभी पहले सी के सभी अभी जितने भी सी हैं एक दूसरे से सब अटैच नॉर्मल, राइट? अभी क्या हुआ कि इसमें एक अलग से सी आ गया, दिख रहा है ये एक सी पी दिख रहा है. तो इसे क्या कहते हैं, आइसो बोलते हैं. इसे क्या कहते हैं,
ISO.
आइसो, राइट?
Yeah.
टोटल कार्बन कितने हैं, 5. तो इससे
Mm.
क्या कहते हैं, आइसो पेंटेन.
Yeah.
Okay, this is not the IUPAC name, it's a general name. Okay,
Okay.
so considering the remaining H, it's 1H, H, 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 and here H, H, and H. Clear?
Yeah.
It's okay. And what will the IUPAC name for this?
For this one, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So butane.
Hmm.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. So there's 5 C's.
For the IUPAC name, we considering the
Okay.
parent chain.
Okay. Only IUPAC. Right.
Yeah.
So butane.
Hmm.
And then on the second one, which I'm guessing is we're counting from the left, so it's
Hmm.
gonna be two
Hmm.
methyl butane.
2-methyl butane. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the IUPAC name. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay, and suppose okay, there is a C, C, C. Okay, अब अभी तक हम लोगों ने एक जो ब्रांच चेन चल रही है, राइट, उसमें अगर एक से निकाल देते तो क्या नाम हो जाता था इसका, था आइसो हो जाता, राइट?
Yeah.
अगर दोनों निकाल देंगे तो उससे क्या बोल देंगे, नियो. क्या बोलेंगे, इससे बोलेंगे
Yeah.
पेंटेन. ओके,
Okay.
clear? Okay, now considering the H. Okay, What is the formula for the new pentane? Now tell me. Here the H H H H H H H H H H and H. What is the formula?
Um, okay, so that would be, we're only considering the parent chain, right?
Hmm. No, first I'm asking the what is the formula, molecular formula?
Oh, okay. So C5
Hmm.
H 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12.
C5H12, right? Okay, and
Yeah.
what is the IUPAC name?
The IUPAC name is 3C, so like propane,
Hmm. Propane.
and 2
Hmm.
dimethyl.
2,2.
2,2 dimethyl.
Yeah, 2,2 dipropane.
Methyl. Yeah.
It's a IUPAC name. Formula is C5H12 clear. So now you have also aware of the N iso and neo. Is it fine? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. There are many types of there are types of the isomerism. Okay.
Yeah.
Structural isomerism and the stereo isomerism. Okay. In the structural isomerism, this is a kind of the chain isomerism. Okay. Remaining is the position isomerism and the functional isomerism and the metamerism. Okay.
Okay.
That we'll discuss in the next class. Okay. Till
Okay.
now, the isomerism concept clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose any person gave you the name, okay, any molecular formula. So can you create the isomerism?
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose any give the N-pentane, isopentane, and new pentane. What is this? This is a chain isomerism. Okay. This is a type of the chain isomerism. Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Till now, any doubt?
No.
Okay. सो फिर आज क्लास यही वेट करते हैं. ओके. आप लोग इतना पढ़ के आएगा, बाकी लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस करते हैं. ओके.